Siege machines are here in Clash of Clans, but what exactly do they do? Today's video we're going to explain everything you need to know, show gameplay so that you know exactly how to use them. Before we start, you guys should know that we are giving away a Silver Pecker statue at the end of June to one lucky subscriber, so make sure to subscribe to the channel, and details at the end of the month. Hit the notification bell as well, because each week during this month we will give away a gift card in a random video. But let's get into today's video. Once you upgrade to Town Hall 12, you can build the Siege Workshop. There are two different siege machines. Now basically what these do, in a nutshell, you can read about them guys, but they will deploy your attacking CC troops. You cannot use these on defense, only when you are attacking. So the first one you unlock is the Wall Wrecker, and you can upgrade these. Now the Wall Wrecker is the ground-based siege machine, and what it does is target the Town Hall. So when you deploy the siege machine, it will go in a straight line towards the Town Hall, busting any walls in its path. Now these are amazing for busting walls. Whenever you say so, or when it is destroyed, it will deploy your CC troops. The same thing goes for the Battle Blimp, but this flies over the top of walls, so it depends on the base layout, depends what you're putting in there, but anti-3-star bases are going to be massive to try and draw these siege machines away. Let's get into some gameplay so that you can see these things in action. Here we are ready to attack, and as you can see from the top right corner, we have our siege machine ready. However, you can see from within the clan castle, you can also receive a siege machine. Now there is no real benefit to having two of them other than being able to switch to a particular type at the start of a match. Town Halls 10 and 11 can receive a siege machine from their clan castle, but they will be unable to cook one. Only Town Hall 12s will be able to do that, so only Town Hall 12s will be able to take multiple into battle. Let's show you what that looks like. When you are first scouting a base, you will see the siege machine icon down in the troop bar. You will see the arrows very similar to the builder base. That is because at Town Hall 12 you can switch between the air or ground or whatever variety you have, but irrespective, you don't have to use it. You can switch to deploy your CC exactly the same as you used to. Let's show you the ground version, the Wall Wrecker. This thing really does wreck walls. We're going to show you how to use it as part of a kill squad later, but as it comes in, it is not subject to spells. Once it deploys them CC troops, they will be under the influence of the spell if you have it there ready. Now it will deploy the CC when you either press for it to do so, after it is destroyed, or when it hits the Town Hall. Let's show you the air version, the Battle Blimp. As this flies in, you can see the green arrow. That is how you would press to deploy your troops. Once the Battle Blimp hits that Town Hall, it deploys the CC right on top of the Town Hall. However, the Valkyries do not get the Town Hall in this one. So when is it viable to actually press your troops to make them come out? It's important to note that the shadow underneath the Battle Blimp is where your troops will come out. Take note of that guys, that tiny shadow, you might press it that little bit early. So it would be appropriate to drop your troops if you needed to take out a defense first in order to get to the Town Hall, or you could be super creative and drop your Valkyries on an air defense or something crazy like that to take that out. We will have to see how this goes, but as you can see, much more effective to drop them Valkyries onto the defenses to take them out first so they're not taking as much damage. Let me know in the comments how you plan on using these siege machines. Now, as part of a kill squad, you might want to use the Wall Wrecker. It is an absolute beast. As you can see here, use it as part of that kill squad to open up the walls in order to enable your next attack. So you'll see here the bowlers then take out the archer tower. I can then deploy the queen in order to get right onto that Town Hall, and I can control her pathing because we used the Wall Wrecker to open up the walls. Let me know which one is your favorite, the ground or the air. Personally, I prefer the ground at the moment. Leave a like if you are hyped, but that is going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I've been your host, Judo Sloth, and until next time, peace out, guys.